pharmacies, community pharmacy practice in India. A community pharmacist should have a sound background of pharmaceutical care, pharmacotherapy, and the health promotion. And he also should have a good communication skills with patients and other healthcare providers, and he maintains a high degree of standard in products, services, and communications. And he also maintains a record uh, and document it. So, in short, a community pharmacy is a drug use control, not effective application of knowledge of ethics, and it ensures maximum well-being of patients while they are on drug therapy. So, the community pharmacy practice, the pharmacy should to conduct a pharmacy to the public practice. The service, the pharmaceutical services given by a pharmacist in a community, that is in a society. And handling of prescription, fair trade practice, purchase of drugs, advertising and displaying the drugs, and handling of drugs, price structure, and limitation of professional activity, decorum and properties, and law ability citizen. He is a law ability citizen. So, in India, there is major transformation in research and development, production, marketing. So, the trend has not penetrated down the line. So, the vital link is in supply chain and the pharmaceutical trade. Pharmaceutical trade. In this chain, the ultimate is the vital link in community. See, the vital link is nothing but the having remarkable energy, livingness, or force of a personality. The pharmaceutical trade, that is discovering, develops, produces, and the markets of the drugs. So the healthcare needs to the rural and urban masses to be viewed. So in rural India and the urban India, in rural India there are illiterate rural masses. See, basic, there is no basic quality regarding this medical care, medical health care, and there is, the practices won't be proper in the vast number of drugs, and the pharmacists won't be available, qualified pharmacists won't be available in rural area, mainly focused by Indian pharma companies. There are the regulatory bodies are they won't control properly in rural area. In urban area, educated progressive consumers, emergency quality medical health care in urban centers, there the quality is good, and there are highly competent medical profession, and awareness program will be done, and turnover with qualified pharmacists, and interlinked with the pharmacopoeia, MNC companies, pharma companies, and efficient state level drug agencies to be controlled. So the role of profession and trade association. So according to Indian Retail Druggist and Chemist Association, there are 10,000 distributors and 1,25,000 retail pharmacy in India. And the role of profession and the trade associations. In this context, it is crucial that we take bold initiative to educate the practice pharmacists. See, educate, there is a to practice the pharmacists, change their mindset, prepare them as a community pharmacist by introducing refreshers courses and at state and district headquarters. See, you can see in government hospitals the pharmacists will be there. They will go for campaigns in for rural areas. Registered pharmacist, physician, what and all the physician prescribed, the pharmacist will follow the prescription orders. According to that only he will dispense the medicines in the rural area. And there are pharmaceutical associations has taken some initiatives nowadays to improve the healthcare practices in India. So the pharmacist should advise about the minor elements, as we have said, like the roles and responsibilities, and to require advice on symptoms, and he also may ask for a medicine by brand, and may require general health advice, example about dietary supplements and precautions. This and all I explained in the last class. So the management of sales of the OTC medications, these OTC medications we will study deeply in a unit is there, in that we will discuss. Over the counter medications, they are OTC medications. So basic knowledge about the drugs and the diseases. There is growing OTC segments of products. See, only few drugs should be given in OTC medications. They are over the counter medications, the paracetamol, cetirizine, and some of the analgesic, aspirin, ibuprofen. These and all the OTC medications, over the counter medications. Lay press advertisement should be given. Self medications. So see, some people still they have the practice of self medication. See, if he is having fever, he will take a $650. Drug abuse, the habitual of illegal drugs, he need non-compliances of dosage regimens, mixing of OTC medicines with prescription medicines. See, this type of error should not be done by a community pharmacist. Changing the lifestyles and food habits, prevalence of for the pharmacist, he will be having a lot of knowledge regarding this OTC medications and dietary supplements, dietary lifestyle regarding patient counseling regarding lifestyle modifications, food habits, and also requires regular refresher courses to prepare the community pharmacist in patient care and patient counseling. With the advent of IT, a wealth of information is available through websites and drug information centers, which can be used by the community pharmacist. So nowadays, this has been improved nowadays in a community pharmacy practice. So what to maintain a proper statutory records. He will maintain a statutory records. So the pharmacists they buy the medicines from authorized sources. You see, from the authorized persons, they will purchase the medicines. with proper purchase and with records, with evidence only they will purchase the medicines. And they maintain sales memos with patient's name and address, everything they will mention, batch number, serial number, medicines sold as a legal requirement, and to safeguard themselves in the event of any drug found substandard or unsafe requiring recall. See, if so a lot of drugs are not safe to the human body, so any errors have been mentioned, so he will maintain the record. If any unsafe drug or if any adverse event persists, then the who is taking the medicine, he will recall them. So need to provide patient information brochures. See, we have said no brochures. So we can look over here the pictures of brochures. So the pharmaceutical associations, manufacturers can provide brochures. So the see, if you go with these ointments, topical agents, you can see leaflets inside the inside the box of a ointment. You can see the brochures. See the brochure, in the brochure you can see the date about the drug, the next indication, pharmacokinetics property, pharmacodynamic property, indication, drug regimen, in the chemistry, everything, and precautions, cautious, everything you can see in that leaflet. So it will distribute those brochures to the patients at the counter on disease like asthma, diabetes, hypertension, epilepsy, even common cold and cough, with doses and don't, does and doesn't. So here you can see the leaflets. This type of leaflets will be there. See, in this they will give, or if they will give separately. If you go to pharmacy, if you go for further studies, if you will learn the patient counseling leaflets. So